literally just getting home, and I went to the gym, and then I had to run to Trader Joe's because mind your business. No, I had to get a few things, and I wanted to make a smoothie, and then I forgot I actually am going to lunch with one of my girlfriends. She's leaving. She's no longer gonna be here with us in California, so I was like, let me just, we gotta go out, girl. So let me put these groceries up really quick because I gotta get ready. One thing Trader Joe's is gonna do is they gonna get you with these bags. If you don't remember to bring your bags with you, get you with the bag fee. And even though it's only 10 cents, still, I have this thing about paying for bags. It's like, I'm already paying for my groceries. Why do I have to pay for bags? Before I do anything, I like to just make sure that my bed is made up. So I'm gonna do that real quick. And then once my bed is made up, then we can go hop in the shower. Cause I gotta hop in the shower. It's 11:35 and I gotta hop in the shower and I gotta get ready and I gotta be out the house by, I think 12:40 is a good time. So will I have enough time? See, you gonna be with me today, okay? All right.
Was moving south, my secret sauce, in and out. Miss how you gloss that pretty mouth.
Something that I always do when I'm getting ready and stuff like that, or if I just like wake up in the morning and I don't go to the gym, I love to put on my air purifier. It's so important, especially if you have like allergies. Air purifier. This is the one that I have. I love it down. Put that on. I always keep it on the speed of 2. Turn on the ionizer and I put it on for about 4 hours. And then that's it. I love this guy. And I will link this in the description so that way you guys have it. It is so good. I've turned so many people onto this. It's good. Yo, when I'm looking for all of these, they're nowhere to be found. Guess what? I have 1, 2.
Do you have enough of those?
Yes, I'm counting them.
Oh, you know what?
I'm literally recording. I have 6 of them. Never can find them. Oh, and here's 7. This was my Fenty fanny pack, and I'll just show you like what it looks like. It has a pocket here, one there. I would just put tissue in there, and clearly there's tissue on this side too. So pocket here, and then it has one. This is just a standard basic. There's only literally, there's no pockets on the inside. I guess they thought that the pockets on the side were gonna work, but it doesn't. And then the band is very thick, and I like that it has a clasp on it. But I was putting a lot of stuff in here, and I just felt like this is not working. So I got the Bèis. Fanny pack. Love it. All right. So it does, let me just show this to you guys. And this is like my real review right now, just whatever. So it has this that goes on it. And I don't like these hooks. Like I would prefer a clasp like the Fenty one. So I may have to figure out a way to get a clasp on there, because nobody has time to be trying to like pry this thing off of them. Like that's ridiculous. So I took this thing off and just kept the braid on here. Now I love the braid. It's cute. I love this. Super, super cute. And I also like that I can put this around my waist if I wanted to. Now it is going to hang kind of low. We don't really like that, but I tend to put it, I tend to put it here most of the time anyway. So anyways, let me show you all the compartments in this bad boy. I got my mom a black one and I got myself a brown one, and they're on sale right now. I'm gonna put the link in the description. I'll probably put it in the comments as well so that you guys can have it. So anyways, first, there's a pocket back here. I love this. Nice big pocket too. We love her. And I like this for like keys, or like need like extra like little thing that you need to put in here, my phone if I want to. I love that. I love that it has 2 zippers. Love that. I love that. Let me turn on the light. Hold on. There we go. All right, so now let me open this big boy up. Okay. And it has one really big pocket here. Okay. And then it has a pocket. Then it has a pocket on the inside, like right here. Love that. And then it also has an area for your cards. Don't we love this? Come on, like, can you see that? Okay, there we go. There we go. So now you can see all like, so you have a nice big pocket right there. And then the pocket where I put like everything. I love this. Like, I love this so much. I think my only complaint is just not having a clasp. Like this is cute. She's cute, but no. Because I feel like if I'm gonna have one of these on here, I don't mind these being on here, but then that means that this right here, it needs to have a, what you call it, like a little buckle. You know, like a little, you know, just click it in. So we're gonna have to figure that out. I may have to get one made. I may have to find one and then figure that out. Yeah, because I think that will work so much better for me. I might get another one. I might get one in black because I love this so much. All right, it is time for me. It's 12:03. It's time for me to jump in the shower. So let me hurry up and jump in the shower. And anytime I am rushing to go do, to get myself ready, what I like to do is I like to wash my face and moisturize and then hop in the shower. So that way when I get out, all I gotta do is moisturize my body, hop right to the makeup. And that's what we're gonna do, okay?
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things?
All right, we are ready. Usually this hair will be more crimped, but I just combed it all out because I just couldn't with the way that it was looking. So we just gonna leave. Oh, you know what? I know what I'm gonna do. So what I'm gonna do is, since I can't get the crimps, we're just gonna use whatever body wave that we have in the hair. And we're gonna let that work for us. Okay, let's kind of scrunch it in a way. We gotta make sure we do the ends. Listen, there's always a way, okay? Scrunch it a bit so that I can kind of keep that shape. This is why wigs like this are so important, because you just never know. You can always like resuscitate a wig, always. So you already know I'm wearing this because we're really more like chilling, to be honest with you. So we don't need to like do the most. All right, so for my fragrance for today, I think, oh, this smells really good. All right, ladies, that is it. That is the look for today. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. I'm gonna bring you guys along as well while I'm at it. Might as well. Okay, and let's go to lunch with Me and my girlfriend. I'll see you guys in a second.
Baby, I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby.